guy here took skateboard decks and made this whole wall in his house. He has some of the coolest shit I've ever seen. Gotta check this out. He made bricks from skateboard decks and did this. And I want to show you guys something really cool. Check this out in a second. This here is the baddest ass scooter that they ever made. Right here. This is what everybody wants. Alright, we're just going to do a little quick video on this, and I'm going to walk you guys around the place, his property, and show you guys some really cool stuff. So stay tuned. We'll watch the rest of that.
Yeah,
this is really the ceiling in his living room right here. Crazy stuff.
Have a bird.
There's a bird. I'd have a bird. So we bought this thing here, 60 Ragtop. Gonna do a restoration on this car, and it's getting shipped out here. He's even got some stained glass in his house. This guy's cool, man. All right, how about this, man? Look at that, Pennsylvania. I mean, that's got to be the rustiest wall art. Look at that barn door. Jeez, somebody could straighten that one actually, but look at this splitty. It's got some cool stuff. I would fix that, make it look perfect. Look at that, man. He could do it too, though. He's. This is behind the bushes. He's into scooters too. Check this out. And we're gonna show the scooters in a minute. All right, so he's got all these scooters out here. He does work on these things in his shop in Arizona. The guy's amazing. He's like one of the best scooter guys. That's cool. Look at this. And then look at this motorcycle. He has some badass stuff out here. A couple more deck lids. Look at that W deck lid, man. Convertible. So cool. This is one he's been working on here. It's in various stages of restoration. He does all these things here. Just gonna actually get these things here running. These bikes. Wait till you guys see the toy section. I gotta show you guys the toy section. It's amazing. You guys will not believe some of the stuff this guy has. Check out this shop, man. Boom. This is badass stuff right here. Look at that. Oh, man. It's got everything. So this guy's traveled all over the world. His wife was a rep for rent-a-car company, national rental-car company, international rental-car company. And so he got to fly all over the place for free. And so he went to all over the world. He collected all these cool ass toys right here. Check that out. All Volkswagen stuff. Check that out, man. That is badass right there. Check this out right here. He's got all this storage for scooters up here for the one season restoration on. He restores all these scooters. And check this out right here. There is some amazing stuff in here. Disler, Porsche. Look at that. That's some cool. Look at all those Volkswagen Matchbox cars. He picked all this stuff up in different places all over the world when he was going to see with his wife all over the world. Some more scooter parts. He's got various stages of restoration. So this guy here, if you're needing scooter stuff and you're looking for a guy to do scooters, he's called Second Avenue Scooters in Phoenix, Arizona. You can look him up on the internet. He restores all these types of things. He does amazing work. If you look here, I mean, look at that. Look at the finish on that. You know, you're gonna pay. You're not gonna get a super cheap scooter restoration, but you will do it. He will do it right. So we met up with him because he had a VW up for sale. He's into VWs and scooters, so that is a cool thing. Those of you guys who are looking for scooter stuff, this guy has everything. He knows everything. check it out, man. One on the bench getting done. Another one getting worked on here. He's got a ton of stuff going on. He just does this stuff night and day. So anyway, that's the we're gonna take a look at that bug again in a second.
The other side, we each took
I'm just videoing this here real quick. I get these signs in here. I'll just put this all in the same video. You can check this out. That is badass. Oh my god. Look at that. Where did you get the MP sign?
That came out of ABC motorcycle sales in Pennsylvania.
In Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Holy crap. That is badass.
So the